We're back. So this is the thing that I had to get. My last vlog you would have seen, I went to the fish store and I got this little I thought it was just going, but I got this automatic feeder for the tank. So yeah, now I need to, don't even like worry about it. Like I don't really have like what I would consider like resort wear that would like look good at a resort. Oh, let me go turn off the beeping. Anyway, I also haven't even brushed my hair yet, so don't judge. Okay. Anyway, I need to pack for Bali, but I don't really have resort vibe clothes. Okay, portrait mode. There we go. So, I definitely want to take this. It's a dress that I got for a wedding we went to from Baliiii. So pretty. And I knew that I would take it to trips like this. So, oh, so pretty, and has this little like stone rock detail that like goes on your neck here. And then definitely this is like one of my go-to dresses, especially if you get a little sun. Which I better get some sun. I want to come back looking like a tanned goddess. So that. Then my sister, I actually took my CPA exams in this, but my sister got this from Farm Rio, and then I asked her if I could have it because I loved it. So it's basically like this big onesie, and it's not like it's flattering or anything, but she did say it's like the perfect thing to put on after you've been at the beach. So I want to bring this as something casual. I'm gonna be there for 4 nights, 3 days. So I got some new sets from Buff Bunny. I'm gonna bring that. I want to bring, I don't really have great like cover-ups. I have this little dress that I want to take. Very cute. It's like I wore it a couple videos ago. Very cute. I'm gonna take this. Now I need something. Okay, I definitely want to take every piece of linen clothing I own. So I'm gonna bring these linen shorts that I got from a local place here in Singapore. Okay. So that and that. I want to bring one of these sunglasses. My mom got these for me. She gave them to me when we were in California. I have 2 pairs. I have this like orangey tan pair and this green pair. I'm thinking the orangey tan will be the vibe, but it depends on what I bring. But I really think that these are gonna be, I think these are gonna be the glasses for the trip. How cute. And then I'm of course gonna bring my other sunnies that I have. These, yeah, of course my Miu Miu's. These are like actual sunglasses. Like I said, it depends on what I wear, but I think these will go with more. So I'm gonna bring these 2 sunglasses. Do I need to bring 2 sunglasses? No, I'm going for 3 days. But I'm also checking a bag because here, like, it's not like this in the US, but they weigh your carry-on bag and it can only be 7 kilos, like roughly about 7 kilos. So like you can't really pack a carry-on. You kind of have to check a bag. So I'm not gonna bring a carry-on at all. I'm just gonna check a bag. So if I already have to check one, I might as well bring everything that I want, like that I'll possibly need. I'll get all that stuff. Oh, here's the top to the pajama shorts I'm wearing right now. This is what happens when your boyfriend puts away the laundry. I'm gonna bring, I just feel like I don't have like the cute like tropical, what am I trying to say? Like, I feel like the girls on Pinterest always have like these cute like tropical beautiful dresses. I really don't own anything like that, so linen. That's gonna have to be like my vibe, is just linen. And sorry you have to see my bras. They're like not cute and small, you know what I'm saying? I got a chest, So they're like ugly. I'm sorry, like the bigger your boobs are, your bras just never look cute. Even if I get an expensive piece of lingerie, my bras, I'm always like, there's just so much material, it just doesn't look like cute and sexy, you know? I honestly haven't worn this top since leaving Miami because like it's just so socially appropriate to show cleavage in Miami, but it's not always a thing everywhere. But it could be like a thing here or in Bali, so I bring that. It's a long sleeve, but this is just like a linen shirt from Zara. And then I'm gonna go get all the bikinis that I want to bring, and let's see if I can put together any outfits with all the stuff that I've packed. Outfit number 1, to go to the pool or to go to the beach. And then if we come back in and we want to go to the restaurant, I can just button this up here, kind of take it off my shoulders and then button it like this, and then it's like a top that's appropriate for a restaurant. I also haven't worn these in so long, but I think I'm gonna take them. They're kind of giving me what I want. All the tops, all the swimsuit tops I'm bringing, Monday swimwear. I will be making a video on my favorite bikinis for big boobs, cause your girl has a chest. Linen shorts, the chipres. There's no way I'm saying that correctly. Okay, here's another one. I have another Monday swimwear bikini. All the bikinis that I'm gonna bring are gonna be over, well actually, that's not true. I'm bringing a couple triangle because those are my favorite, like triangle shapes. But because we will be out there for long hours, I don't want anything that's gonna be like at my neck, because that just makes it, you're just asking for a migraine wearing something over your traps that long. But I'm gonna bring these shorts. Both these pieces are from this local store here in Singapore, again, that I found. I'm gonna bring my Orans. Of course, if you thought I was going on this trip without these bad boys. These are my favorite shoes of all time. I want them in every single color. That would be the dream, actually. If I'm being honest, I actually would just want, it's still too much, but I want white and black, and then one fun color. That would complete my Oran collection, I think. These are supposed to be my fun color ones, but they just don't hit the same as these sandals. And these for me are comfy. I know some people don't think they are, but I think this is fit number 2. For like the pool, beach, whatever. And we have a night out look. I might not tuck it, I might just leave it like flowy. I think this might be a night out look. I'm not 100% sure, or night out, I mean dinner. This might be like an after, been at the beach all day and you're hot and now you're getting cute for dinner vibes. Not much to say here. I don't really love the shape that it's giving me, but I think that's kind of what I like about it. It's just like flowy. I'm not 100% sold on this outfit yet, but potential dinner outfit. It's gonna be hot in this, but this top is like giving me resort vacation dinner. Maybe not this skirt, because like I said, long sleeve top with this skirt is overkill, you know? I'm gonna be hot and sweaty. If there was ever a time to wear my most cleavagey top, it would be a resort vacation. Okay, picture this with accessories. It's cute. With, I don't know if I'm gonna bring a watch, but I'll bring bracelets. And like if these had bigger earrings, just like really accessorized it. This is cute. Like this is very simple, but like, I don't know, maybe I'm thinking about it too much, but I actually like it. I think the fact that these can go a little bit lower on my waist and like it brings the visual weight down here a little bit more is nice, because I have lots of visual weight right here, and then it helps balance things out. And then the chunky shoes, it just like really balances out a silhouette, I feel like. Oh, I need to get these shorts in white, black. I love these shorts. So yeah, just know a million times over, no. We could go leather skirt. Now, the brown is very summer, nighttime, but I don't think these go together. But I do like the shoes in the skirt, but this top does not go with like the bottom. Okay, this has more potential. I've worn this outfit before, actually. I was trying to remember how I've worn this in Miami because I have worn it out there before. And I wore it with these shorts. So, this isn't awful. Like, I'm also gonna bring this dress. You can definitely see my underwear through it, but that's okay. Because it's just easy. It's something I could throw on, like if we were at the beach all day. Like, I don't know, there's just something about it that's very easy. It's just like a nice linen, cute little dress. Nothing crazy about it. Don't have to wear a bra with it, which is obviously always very comfortable. I don't know, there's not much to say about it. It's cute, it's easy. It takes up no space in a suitcase. So, it's gonna be a tick. Ignore the fact you can see my undergarments. Say hi, baby. Okay, so back in my pajamas. I'm done packing. Like, we're only going for 3 days. It's not like we're going for that long. But I found some outfits that I like. Whenever I go on trips like this, I always like wish I had certain clothes. Like, I always wish I had like, I don't know, like stuff I wouldn't wear where I live, you know? But then that's like a whole thing, right? But I definitely think that's like a thing. Like, I'm going on a trip and I feel like I need like special clothes. So dumb. The only 2 pairs of shoes I'm bringing are both those Hermes sandals. And then I'll wear a pair of sneakers so I can work out in sneakers. But I'll wear those on the plane. So I'm only packing 2 pairs of shoes, but again, we're literally going for 3 days. And then the nice part about checking a bag is you can bring all of your skincare. So I will be bringing all of my skincare. So, Bobo, must you? Don't you munching on that. Yeah, just a second, okay? Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. I have the intention to vlog a little bit while we're there, so hopefully I will see you in Bali. But if not, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll text and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, do you see yourself? Oh my gosh, I think she does.